Hi, warm regard from Dido Sanitary Products Private Limited. I am Shuman Kumar Das, the CEO of Dido Sanitary Products Private Limited. When I joined the FasterCapital for sourcing the investor, they are very much cooperated with us. They advise many things to us for Dido Sanitary Products. I really appreciate them, and we think that I need an investment for an investor. For that reason, I communicate with FasterCapital. So they are very much highly qualified per person and qualified that thing. We are pleased. So I want to say that our country is a mass populated country. Here market is 20% increasing every year. For the reason, this is the profitable business. So I warm regard to investor. Please investors, as we do business together, and I hope we will create a strong relationship with business and get profitable. So please invest our company. Thanks.